free just as a tester plate?
Lime.
She'll need them. She likes a lot of lime. Don't fucking put this on YouTube, Edo.
I am.
Fucking put me on blast on
Hola. Cerveza. You guys are nuts.
What's your
dude.
name? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Jesus Christ, dude.
Huh? Luis? Hola, Luis. Me llamo Melissa. Yeah. Daddy Ann wants some comida. Te quiero nachos. Hey, don't act like I take 2 years of Spanish in fucking high school.
Man, fuck that. I failed that shit and went to art class.
Spanish on top? Look at that photography.
I skipped Spanish to go to art class.
I'm sorry.
Dude, you stepped on my toe, Mary. Oh. It's okay. Just got the giggles right now.
Hey, what the fuck, dude? What's the price listing? Dude, check out the fucking prices. Fucking blasting it because it's fucking everybody's drunk.
Oh, he's gonna make up his own prices.
He's like, fuck it, it's $10. Luis! Bueno! Come on! We need the prices! Diesel! Okay.
Damn.
No, fuck that.
Oh, Mel, I need your help.
It's been hours.
You're gonna share with me the nuts.
Nope, I'm blowing the bathroom at fucking vibe, envy, whatever. Fucking false selling too. GYVE, what is that?
Can I have a super burrito? Carne asada, please.
And
No beans.
and the flamin' hot Cheetos.
Make it a combo, large it. Super size.
No.
Shit, for real. Yeah, throwing like 6 fucking peppers.
What do you want now?
I don't want shit. Like, you don't want to see me eat the taco truck and be out in public. It's like fucking at home food. No. I had Filipino food. That was good enough.
Some oily ass food, man.
Some apretada.
That's too much right there. I'm straight.
I just want a taco, solo uno.
I just want one chip.
No, just fucking eat. Don't ask me. I barely fit the jeans I'm wearing. Fucking muffin top.
Oh.
Marianne's been checking out the taco truck for like 2 hours.
I know, right? Should I?
You gotta wait. Hold on, we gotta go see John Wayne in his Birkenstocks. Hurry up. Seriously. No, but he has confidence. I'm all for that shit. But I just was like thrown off by that. He didn't go like that, but I'm all for it.
Which one? Number 1? Or the one that they're grubbing on? Going with the Lord shirt? His shirt?
You're making me miss Mudbird.
I think he's done.
Please hook her up. She's cute. Extra lime. Look at those eyes. It's a bedroom eyes. Mucho lime. Tamales calientos. That means they are hot. But Jeff, you ready for some BGs? Bubble gut? You guys leave early. I know why. Oh, Louise hooked it up. Look at that baggie.
Thank you.
Hella haps.
Yeah.
Hella haps.
Hi, Louise.
Wait, you don't want anything?
No.
Hella haps right now.
Ow! Don't put this on YouTube. Fuck.
interested in fight?
Watch her, just watch her eat it. I just want to watch her mouth.
Huh. Just nom 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 nom. Mary, it's Mary N0MS right now.
Mary N0MS.
She was like, that burrito looks hella good though.
The burrito.
Oh yeah, you never heard that one before, huh?
Mudbird Waxaholic. Stop. Let's go to the Beamer and the Subaru.
Okay, turn it off.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.